Let's go sneak up on Gino and see what he's doing down here. Hey everybody, this is Dustin Another Sector. So Gino's down here cutting off all the leaf spring hangers over there, and we're getting ready to do a Roadmaster Comfort Ride kit. So hey Gino, what's going on, man?
Oh, just getting my grind on.
Catching you in action.
Oh yeah.
Look at that, everybody. He's got the face mask on and everything. Gloves, second set of glasses, knee pads. All right. So anyways, stay tuned for more. This is on a Arctic Fox open range. It's a 3X387 RBS. It's a big, huge fifth wheel. He's had a bunch of suspension problems for a long time, and so we're upgrading him and putting him in a Roadmaster Comfort Ride kit. Or it's not a Arctic Fox, I'm sorry, it's an open range. But this is a big boy. You know, it says it's a 37 something, but it's pretty much like 40 something feet long, or 42 feet if you count from the pin box to the bumper. So, all right, stay tuned for more. Thanks so much for watching.